Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download apps on LG 43QNED80. To do it, click on the home button on your remote. Then here are different apps and you can open the apps app, which will open this app. Make sure you're logged in, and here this is the marketplace and you can download different apps. So I'm gonna click on search and search for Disney Plus. So let's search for it. And click on that. Then you can just select the app that you want to install. And now in my case it's updating, but some apps will open a screen where you'll be able to click on install. And that's basically it. I have my app installed now. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.